be showing you how to use Canva and Bookbolt together to create low content books for your KDP. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orinn and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So we are inside Canva and we will be starting by creating a design for our cover. So we click create a design. So from the drop down there are these bunch of options. So we are thinking to create a journal cover, but I don't think there is a journal here. There's a book cover. We can look up journal and there are these options, but we are not going to be using this size, so we'll do a custom size. So we'll do a 6 by 9 and so we'll change that to inches and we'll do 6 by 9 and create. And so that's our page and that's where we'll create, and we'll do another add a page because we need a front and back. And then we'll start off by adding some colors. So you can easily just use any of the colors from here, or you can go inside the plus button and go for some more other options of colors. You can just simply play around here and see what colors you might want for your journal or whatever book that you're creating. And as you move this bar, you can play around more with the color palette and you can just see which color you want. I'll go for this one. Next we are going to fill in the same color for our second page. And of course, if you click the plus button, then there'll be more pages of the same color, but we created a page in advance, so we're just filling in the color. And then we are going to add some designs. So as we are thinking of creating a journal, we'll go to elements and we will try to add something. So for example, we want to create a self-care journal, so we're just gonna see what comes up with self-care. So a lot of options have come up and we'll just try this one, the headphones. So now we'll change and play around with the colors of these headphones. You can simply go up here and change the colors. For example, we make it black, or maybe add black and white both, or whatever colors look good with it basically. Or another option could be that we use this camera and make this into a journal for a photographer. So we are simply going to just change the size, enlarge it and center align it, and then maybe just try to change up the color. Maybe make this black. And then after this we will add our journal title. So on the text section there are a lot of options which are ready, and for example we go ahead with one of them, maybe this one, enjoy, this font. And next we are going to change this into something which goes with photography. So we could write something like click. And then we are going to change the colors and make it into black and something that goes with it. So one thing about ready fonts is that you are always not able to change all the colors. So here we can only change the yellow part and not the pink part. So because of this, I always like to just simply use the font option and then go and change it into the font that I like. So I'm just going to go and get the same font again, Fascinate, and then just change my font into Fascinate, this font. There you go, and that's the same exact font. And then you enlarge it, align it as per your design, and that's it. And then for the back side of your cover, we will just put one small camera in the center, or maybe actually we'll just create a lot of them and then spread it all over the book and see how that turns out, like that. Or we could just stick to the first option where we just have a small camera in the center. And then we'll go ahead and download it in PNG in high res. And those are both the pages. Download. And these are our downloaded files. They look okay, and then we will head over to BookBolt. So if you don't have a BookBolt account, you can sign up for a BookBolt account with my link below. BookBolt basically lets you create covers and interiors, but I like using Canva more for my covers, and I use BookBolt for my interiors. But apart from covers and interiors, BookBolt also has a lot of other good features, and once you sign up, you can check them out inside. If you are thinking of starting your KDP business, then I absolutely suggest BookBolt. This is absolutely worth it. From the right side, we will come down and find BookBolt Designer. And it will tell us to sign in again. And once we sign in, we will be coming to our BookBolt designing page. So this is paperback, and then we will select cover or interior. For now, cover, and then this is already 6x9, which is what we made, and then we will just leave this one as black and white. For the page count, we'll make it 200 and submit. So that brings us to our design page. So this is where we will just simply upload our pictures first, or just drag and drop. And so this is our book cover. So the right side is your front cover and the left side is your back cover. Now once they're inside of this designing area, we will be resizing them. So the most important thing while designing inside this area is to keep in mind that you need to drag your image all the way till this orange line. We'll have to fill up the entire area, otherwise all these chunks of white will be seen, and of course we don't want that. And another thing is that we'll also have to make sure that the binder area, which is the center area, that's also fully covered and nothing important is on there, otherwise it might get cut off. And also for the sides as well, you want to make sure that nothing important is on those orange lines, because if there is anything, then that also will get cut off. But at the same time, it needs to be filled. So our journal design does not have too much going on. It's very simple, so we don't have to worry about that. But if you have a lot of designs and patterns, then make sure there's nothing important in those areas, otherwise it will get cut off. Also, if we don't design and fill them properly and if we leave out areas, then once we hit download and once our file is downloaded, just as an example, we will be getting something like this. So now we are going to do a proper download of our file, and it's going to download in PDF. And it's ready, and that's our front and back side of our cover and ready to go. Now you can simply get an interior from BookBolt and upload your interior and your cover in your KDP. And in case you want the interiors, then you simply go to BookBolt Designer the same way, and then from the designing page, from this box, you'll select interior, and then that's the trim size, and you'll put your paper count and no bleed, and then this page will come up, and then here you can create your own interiors. But I like to just get these ones which are already ready, so you can just simply resize them and check whichever one you want and simply download. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.